If you're looking to optimize your AdCreative AI designs for A/B testing, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll quickly show you how to get the most out of your designs with AdCreative AI, making your A/B testing more effective and efficient. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make better ad creatives and improve your overall ad performance. Before we dive in, remember, you can try out AdCreative AI for free right now by clicking the first link below. And we've got exclusive bonuses for you if you sign up today. But let's get into how to optimize your designs. First things first, AdCreative AI is a powerful tool that uses AI to automatically generate and optimize your ad creatives. What's great about it is that it takes the guesswork out of designing ads that actually convert. But here's the catch. To make sure you're getting the best results from your A/B testing, you need to fine-tune your designs and ensure the AI is working with the right elements. Start by feeding AdCreative AI with clear, specific data. This software works best when you provide it with well-defined target audience information and the kind of action you want your viewers to take. The more context the AI has, the better it will optimize your ads for different segments of your audience. Now, when setting up your A/B test, make sure you're testing more than just one element at a time. Whether it's headlines, images, calls to action, or color schemes, change one thing at a time to see what's truly working. For example, test different headline styles to understand what captures attention the best. With AdCreative AI, it's easy to create multiple versions of the same ad, which is key to running a successful A/B test. Once you've set up your A/B test, pay attention to the data that comes back. AdCreative AI is designed to provide detailed insights into which creatives are driving the best performance. Look at the metrics that matter most, like click-through rates, conversions, and engagement, to determine which design elements are truly moving the needle. This will help you understand exactly which components of your ad need to be optimized. One of the best features of AdCreative AI is its ability to create variations of your designs in seconds. This allows you to test multiple ad creatives quickly without spending a lot of time manually adjusting each one. You can also use AdCreative AI's recommendations, which are based on its AI-powered insights, to tweak your designs and maximize your results. But the key to effective A/B testing isn't just in the tools, it's in the continuous learning process. Use the results from your tests to iterate. Keep running tests to refine your creatives and keep improving. The more data you collect, the better AdCreative AI will get at predicting which designs will convert best for your audience. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how can you make this all work for you, and where can you get started? You can try AdCreative AI completely free today by clicking the link below. Plus, remember, with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get even more value out of your trial. To wrap up, if you're serious about getting the most out of your A/B testing with AdCreative AI, be sure to test different elements of your designs, track the right metrics, and keep iterating based on the data. AdCreative AI makes it easy to optimize your ad creatives and scale your campaigns efficiently. And don't forget, check the link below for your extended free trial and exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to optimize those designs for better results.